Everyone loves a good makeover. At the heart of any great transformation is an aha moment, that instant when everything falls into place. What once seemed complex and confusing suddenly becomes clear and compelling. In our work with organizations of all sizes and industries around the globe, from Fortune 100 companies to local businesses to international institutions, we've witnessed this revelation happen time and again. At Storytelling with Data, we help people elevate their business communications, primarily graphs and slides, through simple yet thoughtful changes that lead to major improvements. By crafting compelling visual stories with data, you can achieve your goals, influence decisions, and inspire positive change. In our workshops, clients discover this firsthand as we apply our lessons to redesign their slides, clarifying takeaways, strengthening graphs, and making messages unforgettable. This book brings that experience to you. Through a collection of real-world before and after data visualization and slide redesigns, we'll demonstrate storytelling with data principles in action. You'll rethink how you present data as you hear about how these changes sharpen communication and drive better outcomes. The strategies we share have been honed over more than a decade of working across diverse industries: technology, healthcare, government, hospitality, manufacturing, and beyond, helping professionals overcome common communication challenges. While the details have been anonymized, the metamorphoses are genuine. We believe in the power of makeovers, not just for their visual appeal, but for the practical lessons they teach. If you're ready to see how graphs and slides can go from ordinary to extraordinary, this book takes you behind the scenes of the process, step by step. More importantly, it equips you with the insights and techniques to apply these principles to your own work. The goal isn't just to make your visuals look better, they'll work better too. Timeless Principles of Storytelling with Data. It has been 10 years since we published Storytelling with Data, a data visualization guide for business professionals, Wiley 2015. At that time, the Storytelling with Data team had already spent years collaborating with clients to improve their data communications. Since then, we've partnered with thousands more, encountering the same recurring issues: ineffective visuals, unclear messaging, and missed opportunities to connect with an audience. These common challenges are solvable. Clear, compelling communication isn't about innate talent, a special knack, or blind luck. It's about following a repeatable, reliable process that shifts the focus from the analyst and the data to where it belongs, on the audience and the story they need to hear. In the sections that follow, we'll briefly review the core principles of data storytelling. While we won't explore every topic in depth, many of which are covered more thoroughly in our other books, we'll provide enough context to help you understand the techniques behind each redesign, empowering you to apply them to your own communications.